Hi there, I'm Henry, and I've recently completed the 4-day counterbalancing truck lift course at 4KS Truck Driving. I've thoroughly enjoyed this course and found both the instructors and the environment to be friendly and welcoming. The instructors are great because they offer one-to-one tuition, and if you don't understand something the first time, they're more than happy to explain it in a detailed, concise and friendly manner another 100 times if need be. I really feel like I've gained a whole new set of skills, communication, teamwork, but also things like attention to detail and really honing my skill as a counterbalance truck driver. I would thoroughly recommend this course to anyone looking to level up and gain a new set of skills and go into a thoroughly underserved industry that is definitely calling out for counterbalance truck drivers. Check it out, guys.